Are you passionate about dogs and considering starting your own dog breeding business? If so, it's essential to choose the right legal structure for your enterprise. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your dog breeding business. Let's dive in and explore the key benefits. 1. Personal liability protection. One of the main advantages of forming an LLC is personal liability protection. As an LLC owner, your personal assets are separate from your business liabilities. In the unfortunate event of legal action or debt, your personal savings, home, and other assets are shielded from being used to satisfy business obligations. 2. Credibility and professionalism. Starting an LLC gives your dog breeding business a professional edge. It enhances your credibility with customers, suppliers, and even financial institutions. By establishing a legal entity, potential clients will trust that you are committed to delivering quality services and ensuring the welfare of your dogs. 3. Tax advantages. Another significant benefit of an LLC is the potential tax advantages it offers. LLCs enjoy flexibility in taxation, allowing you to choose between being taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even an S corporation. This flexibility enables you to optimize your tax strategy and potentially reduce your overall tax burden. 4. Ease of management and flexibility. An LLC provides a simple and flexible management structure for your dog breeding business. You can easily adapt to changing circumstances, such as adding or removing members, transferring ownership, or adjusting the management structure. This flexibility makes it easier to run your business efficiently and respond to evolving market needs. 5. Brand protection. By starting an LLC, you gain brand protection. Registering your business name as an LLC helps prevent others in your industry from using the same name. This safeguard ensures that your hard-earned reputation and unique breeding techniques remain exclusive to your business. Now that we've explored the benefits of starting an LLC for your dog breeding business, let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process to set it up. Step 1. Choose a name. Select a name that reflects your dog breeding business and check if it's available in your state. You can search your Secretary of State's website or use online business name databases to ensure your desired name is unique. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with your Secretary of State's office. This document typically requires your LLC's name, address, purpose, and the names and addresses of the LLC members or owners. Pay the required filing fee, which varies by state, to officially register your LLC. Step 3. Create an operating agreement. Although not mandatory in all states, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This agreement outlines the rights, responsibilities, and ownership percentages of the members. It helps establish clear guidelines for decision-making, profit distribution, and management of your dog breeding business. Step 4. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Research and obtain the required permits and licenses to operate your dog breeding business legally. This may include breeding licenses, kennel permits, animal welfare certifications, and compliance with local zoning regulations. Check with your local government agencies or animal control departments for specific requirements. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). An EIN serves as a unique identifier for your LLC and is necessary for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees in the future. You can easily apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Establish a separate business bank account for your LLC. This ensures clear separation between your personal and business finances. It simplifies bookkeeping, enables accurate tax reporting, and enhances the professional image of your dog breeding business. Step 7. Comply with ongoing requirements. Remember to fulfill ongoing compliance requirements to maintain your LLC's active status. This may include filing annual reports, renewing licenses, and adhering to any state-specific obligations. Stay informed about your state's regulations to avoid any penalties or loss of your LLC status. And there you have it. By starting an LLC for your dog breeding business, you can enjoy personal liability protection, enhance credibility, and potentially benefit from tax advantages. Follow these step-by-step guidelines to establish your LLC and unleash the full potential of your dog breeding passion. Remember, consult with a legal or business professional to ensure compliance with your state's regulations and to receive personalized guidance for your specific situation. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal or financial advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before making any business decisions. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.